Hello everyone, this is Asim and welcome to my channel Syntax Error. In this video we will be learning about passing arguments and parameters in C programming language. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more tutorial and technical videos. So parameters and arguments in C is very easy, yet quite confusing. But please pay attention to this tutorial as it will help you all a lot in the future. Let me just read a little definition about for parameters and arguments. So we'll start with argument. An argument is referred to the values that are passed within a function when the function is called. The parameter is referred to as the variables that are defined during a function declaration or definition. With this definition, we got a little idea about what is an argument and a parameter is, right? Here we know what is a function call is, right? And what is a function definition is. Let me show you all again just for reference. So this is a function call and this is a function definition. We'll take the same example where we call a function to add numbers. Okay, so let me just copy this in a new file. Here we have a function call and inside brackets I will put two numbers that will be 10, 20. And this values 10 and 20 becomes the argument of this function. Are we clear here? Good. If you still have any confusion, please comment and let me know. Now, when we want to pass any arguments to a function, we pass it using a parameter. Right? Let us come to a function definition. Here we have a return type, then function name and brackets. Inside brackets, we will accept the arguments. Okay? So as we are passing integer data type, so we will write int a, int b. Only two because we are passing only two arguments. You can pass as many as you all want depending on the criteria or requirements. So this int a, int b becomes the parameter. Right? Listen. When we call a function, we pass two values which is 10 and 20, which became arguments, which is called arguments. Okay, and in function definition we accepted those arguments by declaring variables which is called a parameter. I hope you all got the difference between the argument and parameter. If you all still have any confusion, do comment and let me know. Now we will do a simple addition here, like int c is equal to a plus b, it's written already, and print the sum. Let us run the program and see, and it executed successfully. Now if you want the user to define these values, you can do like this. Ask the user two numbers. Okay, let me just paste this code. Take the input using scanf and then we'll pass this values. Let us run the program again. So here it is asking me to input the first number. We'll put 20 and second number we'll put 30. As you all can see, our program executed successfully without any errors. Okay, so here I would like to inform you all about function prototyping, or we can also say function declaration. It's written same as a function call, but it's not a function call. It's just for the compiler to know that we have defined a function and it contains certain arguments if it does, or we can write it without the arguments. Let me show you all an example. So this is how you prototype your function or define your function. Before, people used to get warnings if they did not write this line of code, but nowadays compilers have become smarter, and it's mostly for the people who like to write their user defined function after the main function. Okay, So guys, that's how you pass arguments and parameters in C programming language. And plus we learned about function prototyping as well. I hope you all did like this video. Please give it a like and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Happy programming.